I have to. It's funny. It's funny watching you attack that thing. I don't get why you can't separate that. So because I'm taking a video, you're gonna eat it dumb fast now? You're so freaking hilarious. Yes, deep breaths while you're scarfing out the grease.
It's not on my clothes.
Or is that scarfing down the grease?
I'm done. Two napkins.
I'm mad you're trying to make it mad classy at the end.
The world will never know.
Wanna pay?